Marie.
Marie, what is this?
You want to move some of the stuff, honey? So they can get a good video of it? Here, if that's trash, give me whatever is trash.
Don't worry about it. Just move it.
Okay, Marie, are you ready?
Yes.
Say 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
It's a train. Is the train out there? I can't see.
Yeah.
Oh, she said Paw Patrol with the helicopter. Isn't there a...
Oh.
Did the tree fall down? Yep.
Wow.
Marie, we might need to put the umbrella down when we... Oh. We got outdone by an umbrella. Is that an airplane? Does it go in the sky? Does it go... I don't know if the airplane's going to fit through that. Cool. Marie.
She wants to play with it, but she's trying to figure out how to hold the umbrella.
I know.
Play with it.
She
thinks somebody's going to take their umbrella.
Marie, can you say Merry Christmas? Good job. This is what Christmas is. 10,000 presents for you. Do you like your train set? Now you don't have to share with other kids. This is Marie's train set. Well, you'll probably have to share with your baby brother or sister, but
And anybody that comes over.
and anyone that comes over.
I was thinking, I don't know about that.
Yeah, I wouldn't
Not
plant that seed.
All right, erase that.